Hello, hello! Magandang araw sa lahat ng Aries. Welcome back. At sa mga bago, welcome to my channel. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno, or in short, Mismo. At dito sa aking channel, we will manifest love. Sa inyong Tagalog love reading ngayon na Mismo. Okay, so ang gagawin natin na yan yung quick energy check-in. Alamin natin kung anong kaganapan ngayong magtatapos na ang Love Month and papasok na ang inyong month, mga Aries. Alright? Sige. Tingnan natin. Ang gagawin ko ay bubunot ako ng dalawang cards each for recent past, present, and near future. And after that, interpret natin yung cards and may supporting details from the other deck. At habang binabalasa ko tong cards, gusto kong magpasalamat sa lahat ng Aries na sumusuporta sa aking channel. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. And sa mga bago, sana supportahan nyo rin po ang aking channel by liking this video, sharing it sa inyong mga kilalang Aries fan na nangangailangan ng guidance from the universe, and engage sa comment section. And syempre, subscribe na po. Subscribe na po kayo para updated kayo sa mga i-upload ko pang videos. And para mag-grow yung aking channel, yun, sa maayos ko na yung setup ko. Mag-improve siya. But for now, this will do. Okay, tingnan natin. Okay, recent past. Oh, Seven of Swords. Okay. Queen of Cups. Present, Six of Coins. Four of Swords. And in the near future, there's Two of Cups and Two of Coins. Okay. Okay, so walang very strong energy na sign. So any sign will do. I mean, pwedeng any sign talaga yung zodiac ng person ninyo. Okay? Sige. So in the recent past, lumabas si Seven of Swords, which is someone manipulated a situation. So I can sense na yung person ninyo manipulated you, and may cheating na naganap in the recent past. Okay? And sobrang affected ka, syempre. Kasi itong person na to, akala mo siya yung tao na mag-provide sa'yo ng emotional support. Akala mo emotionally mature siya, but no. So, akala mo devoted siya sa'yo, but no. Yun nga, nag-cheat tong tao na to, na minanipulahan niya, and it caused an ending in the relationship, ending of the relationship. So, ayun, but in the present situation, grateful ka naman, happy ka na nagtapos na yun, yung chaotic and manipulative na sitwasyon mo from with this person, di ba? Kaya lumabas din si Four of Swords, di ba? Because you're trying to recover now. You're allowing your heart to heal. Time for rest. Pahinga muna ang puso. Okay? And happy ka naman. Grateful ka naman na in-experience mo siya ngayon. Yung pag-heal, pag-rest, and para mas maging ready ka when it comes to the love coming. Which is, mangyayari siya sa near future as shown here. Two of Cups. Two of Cups is a card of relationship and connection, and someone will be uh, having mutual feelings with you. Okay, so antay lang. So someone will come into your life and it will start a new connection and relationship. Okay, and as shown here with the 12 coins, there will be balance now in your life, and you, you will still weigh yung may choice ka pa rin kailangan gawin. Choice to jump into this new relationship or stay muna sa healing process, stay muna sa pagpapahinga ng puso, parang wait lang, ganun. May ganong energy in the near future. Pero may darating na bagong love sa buhay mo. So, perfect nga yan na leave that past behind. That person na manipulative, cheater, iwan mo na yun in the past. Heal yourself, take a rest, pause, para maging ready ka dun sa new love coming. Okay, so tingnan natin ano yung nakakabit pang detalye. At habang binabalasa ko tong cards, just a reminder, this is a collective reading. So it may or may not resonate sa inyo. Okay? At pag hindi nag-resonate, huwag pilitin. Okay? It means hindi ko nasagap yung energy nyo ngayon. Kaya abangan nyo na lang yung mga susunod ko pang reading. That's why it's good na mag-subscribe kayo para updated kayo sa mga new uploads and baka yun ay mag-resonate na. Okay? Alright. Sige. Yung natin. So in the recent past, someone was manipulative. Okay. And it's supported by the Judgment and Knight of Wands. So, yeah, you made the right choice na iwan tong person na to. Shown here, oh. This person sees someone else, was seeing someone else, and you made the right choice na i-let go na tong uh, person na to. And as shown here by the Knight of Wands, di ba? Na you took a leap of faith then na pero hindi siya leap of faith eh. Well, in terms of like leap of faith for yourself, yun yung nakukuha kong energy na may mga tao kasi na hindi, sige, papatawarin pa, di ba? Pagbibigyan pa ng isang chance, pero alam nila sa sarili nila na ayaw na nila kasi nga, ano, parang binibigyan siya ng validation dun sa mga manipulation and cheating uh, activities. Pero ikaw, what you did is you chose to let go of this connection and yeah, very confident ka naman sa sarili mo that you will find someone else, someone new, someone who will love you na, um, and will be devoted sa'yo. Okay, so at the present moment, ayan, Two of Cups. Ayun no, Two of Cups, Two of Cups. In the present moment, makikilala mo na siya. Magsisimula na yung connection. But it would proceed to something more deep in the near future. Pero ayan, so at the present moment, ayan, makikilala mo na siya. So Two of Cups. So see, that person is coming pretty soon, sooner than you expected. Diba? And as shown here also by the Three of Wands, yeah, it will be something romantic because Three of Wands is also a card of romance. So, habang nag-heal ka, habang you're taking a rest and pause, paparating na and darating na yung person na yun. In the future, near future, there will be more development pagdating sa relationship niya. Tingnan natin. See, Wheel of Fortune, you'll be happy with this person. And so, and it's like, destined to happen. Nangyari yung nangyari in the past for you to be able to learn from it. Heal. Kapag nag-heal ka na, you'll meet this person and you'll be someone better, someone more mature. Alam mo na yung mga gusto mo sa relationship, alam mo na yung mga boundaries mo. And this person na darating sa life mo is someone destined para sa iyo. As shown here also by the Queen of Swords, you'll be firm with yun nga, yung boundaries mo, mas um, communicate mo siya properly, okay? And then this person will give you this, alam mo yun, parang sense of yung EQ niya kasi medyo very higher than the average EQ, not IQ, EQ. So, emotionally matured itong person na to, and ito yung mafe-feel mo na, ay, buti na lang. Buti na lang nilet go ko yung nakaraan. Kasi, at the moment, or I mean in the near future, kung hindi ko nilagay yung nakaraan, hindi ko ma-experience to. May ganong energy. Okay? So, it's a good read. That's why, pahinga ka muna at the present moment. Heal your heart. Take a pause. Process everything na nangyari in the recent past. And then, when this person comes, you'll be ready. And it's coming very soon. Okay? Yan. So, napakaganda ng reading. So, isil natin itong reading na to with an oracle card, which is yung advice ni universe sa inyo. So, let's reveal the card. Path of Success. Ay, inalog-alog eh. Ayan, hindi niyo pala nakita. Path of Success. Good job, o diba? Magiging happy, magiging successful ang new love for you. So, whatever happened in the past, it's already in the past. Learn from it and look forward to something better. Because itong near future ninyo when it comes to love will be something happy, something successful. Okay, claim nyo na itong energy na to. Okay? Comment na below. Path of Success. And ayun, abang-abang na lang sa susunod ko pang love reading. Dito lang sa aking channel. Maraming salamat. Ako si Mystico Moreno. Or in short, mismo. Ingat kayo. Kita-kits. Ingat.